Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Christmas project. Today we're making a small Christmas tree painting. The materials are linked in the description box. All you have to do is take your paper and using the pencil make a straight line and some diagonal lines to represent a Christmas tree. Once this is ready, get your paints out and mix that perfect shade of green and start by outlining over the pencil marks. You can also choose a green colored pencil to make the basic tree structure. Next, dip your brush into the paint and start dabbing till it represents stems with some leaves. All the other tips and tricks are mentioned in the description box below. Don't forget to read it. Now, this can also be used as a mistletoe uh, or a Christmas tree. I'm going to go further and add some embellishments using red paint and yellow. And I have later gone ahead and used some metallic paint. This is completely optional to give it some more highlight. I have also used a white pen and a black pen as well. You can or cannot choose to do it. It's completely your wish. Now you can either use this painting as a painting, frame it in a nice small frame and gift it to somebody or use it for home decor, or even use this on top of a greeting card to make a greeting card out of it. Hope you like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe, and Merry Christmas.